Bears are omnivorous animals, with a diverse diet that varies based on their habitat and the availability of food sources. Their diet includes a wide range of vegetation, such as berries, nuts, grasses, and roots. They are also adept hunters, preying on fish, small mammals, and insects. In addition to their hunting and foraging, bears are known to scavenge for carrion, and in some cases, they may raid human food sources. This opportunistic feeding behavior allows bears to adapt to different environments and food availability, showcasing their ability to consume a wide variety of foods to meet their dietary needs.